trying to stop. Now I can't turn close and I can't turn wide, so I left my body on the other side. Walked 40 miles of Georgia clay, seen Diablo along the way, digging a grave with a pick and shovel. Said I got no sympathy for you, devil.